Parts of the state could see record snowfall as the sun set in Estes Park. The flakes really started to fly tonight. Anywhere from 2 to 4 feet of snow could pile up there by the time this is all over. And Dylan Thomas was out with the CBS 4 mobile weather lab there earlier today. Now he's moved down to I-25, which has been shut down along the border with Wyoming. And Dylan, any word on when it might reopen?
Kathy, not right now. As you can see right here, highway closed. We are physically on I-25 right here, just north of Fort Collins. We're in the Wellington area where you can see all this snow piling up. They have the CDOT trucks out here really trying to make sure nobody heads north toward Wyoming. They've shut down I-25 and 287 heading up. We're here with the Chevy Mobile Weather Lab where we've been traveling throughout the day throughout this entire storm. Up on the road above us, you can see where the plows are still making their way. They're about to turn southbound here from the Wellington area, head back toward Fort Collins. Once again, I-25 shut down just north of Fort Collins and Wellington. You can't get to the Wyoming border. 287, which will take you by Ted's place up toward Laramie, that road closed down as well. Once again, we're here on I-25 with the Chevy Mobile Weather Lab, with myself and photojournalist Rob McClure traveling the region today from Lyman to Fort Collins to Estes Park, back here up to the Wellington area. The main problem areas with the whiteout conditions was definitely I-25 on US 36 down toward the Lyons area. Pretty clear from about Windsor to Timnath, and then it really started to ramp up with the snow and the wind, obviously why they have the roadway closed down right now going north all the way to I-25, where you can see the road closure sign right behind it. Kathy, we're live in Wellington tonight covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Dylan.